There are four interactions in nature, and they are gravitational interaction, electrostatic interaction, strong interaction, and weak interaction. In this lecture, our subject is nuclear forces, which belong to the strong interaction. We know that a nucleus consists with neutron and proton. It is neutral and it is positive charged. Now, inside the nucleus, how positive charge stays? Because in our previous knowledge, we know that same charged particle repel each other, and how the protons present inside the nucleus and how a stable nuclei exist in nature. The forces which are responsible for binding the nucleons, that means neutrons and protons inside the nucleus, are called nuclear forces. As the nuclear forces overcome the electrostatic repulsion between the protons inside a nucleus, the forces must be strong, and these strong forces must be attractive. Inside the nucleus, there are three kinds of attractive forces are present, and they are neutron-neutron interaction, neutron-proton interaction, and proton-proton interaction. Now we discuss how these interactions arise inside the nucleus. According to Yukawa, these interactions arise inside the nucleus due to the exchange of pion or pi meson between the nucleons. Now, there are three types of mesons are present: pi 0, pi minus, and pi plus. The neutron-neutron interaction and proton-proton interaction arise due to the exchange of pi 0 meson, and neutron-proton interaction for pi minus and proton-neutron interaction arise due to the exchange of pi plus interaction. Clear? We remind again, neutron-neutron interaction arise due to the exchange of pi 0 meson. Proton-proton interaction also arise due to the exchange of pi 0 mesons. Neutron-proton interaction is arised due to the exchange of pi minus meson, and proton-neutron interaction due to the exchange of pi plus meson. Pi plus and pi minus mesons are charged, but pi 0 mesons is neutral. When the pi minus meson are exchanged, then look at the reaction: neutron to proton plus pi minus. That means when a neutron emits pi minus meson, it converts to a proton. Again, a proton plus pi minus convert to neutron. And the inverse process is also possible, and that is proton to neutron exchange plus pi plus, and n plus pi plus x convert to proton, and in this process the proton neutron interactions are arised inside the nucleus. The nuclear forces are very short range forces and occur within the distance 2 femtometer, that means 2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. This distance is known as range of the nuclear force or action radii. Again, the nuclear forces arise within the nucleus due to the exchange of meson particles, and that is why the nuclear forces are also known as exchange forces. Then, what may be the conclusions from our discussion? Look, the first conclusion may be nuclear force is very strongly attractive up to a certain maximum distance between the nucleons, which is of the order of 2 femtometer, and this distance is known as range of nuclear forces or the action radii. Secondly, nuclear forces are charge independent. Third, nuclear forces are strongest known force in nature. Fourth, the nuclear forces have saturation property.